what's up? We set up a campfire near the lake, and we're just cooking some hot dogs right now.
Yep.
This is John on the camera. Say hi.
Hey.
What's
your name?
I'm Zane. Check out my YouTube. I might be posting a gaming video soon.
What's your YouTube page?
Zane Fuentes.
VRENTAS. Awesome. Yeah, we're doing a daytime campfire, soon to be nighttime campfire. Out at Smithville Lake. We had a huge fire going earlier, but we got it down for our hot dogs, and we'll probably build it back up when it gets dark. But we're in a cool spot down here by the lake and this big cliff.
Most people don't come to this area of the lake, so we'll set.
Yep, that's our little spot.
This area right here, somebody, I believe, recently did a campfire, because when we first started, we saw ashes on a few of the sticks.
All right, is the hot dog done?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, there.
Do it without burning any fingers.
It's not that hot. There.
All right, let's get the taste test.
Are these good or not? That's the question. Oh God, that's not good. I've got ashes on the stick.
All right.
How much you want to bet this is good?
$100.
Ah.
Is it hot?
Yep. But hot.
That's why they call them hot dogs. I need to turn mine. I already had one. We're on number 2.
That's just perfect.
1 to 10, how do you rate it?
Probably a 10.
Oh, you heard it here. 10 fire hot dogs by Smithville Lake. All right, that's it for now, but we might show you later when we get our fire back up when it's dark out.
I'm gonna go over to the Skipping rocks is best with flat rocks. You throw it kind of like a ninja star. Off the rocks and into the lake. And it's a four times. Let's see if I can do another off the rocks and into the lake. Nah, I messed up. Oh, that's how I
Off
did
the rock.
it. Double. That's how I missed. That's not a good one.
Add it to our fire. Our fire got bigger.
Oh, perfect!
What a shot. All right. Zane's working on the Zane s'mores. He has his own special recipe. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, ever since I was younger, I've always liked the burnt s'more, so I always make sure it's all perfectly melted and burnt. Zanes don't take that long to make, unlike some of the other s'more ideas. Okay, so now you're just gonna wanna lean it up against a log nearby. That was close. I don't wanna get ash in this. There. You can either lean it up against something and just go do whatever you want for maybe a minute and come back, or you can make a quick Zane and just put it right over the fire. Zane really doesn't
Oh
take
no,
that
it's
one.
gonna fall in.
And that's not good.
Now
And
that
my
looks,
Zane is ruined.
I don't know, man. That looks nice and melty. That would melt this whole Hershey's bar.
Here. Yeah, that Zane just got ruined.
It's not quite how he usually makes them.
Yeah, let's just try another Zane. I guess we could try another Zane, or we could just use that one.
I think that one would be good.
Okay.
Because it's gonna like melt all the chocolate since it's so hot.
I usually never mess up this recipe.
I think the fire's too hot. Got a hot fire down there. Still tastes pretty good. It's the 300-degree Fahrenheit
Yep.
Zane. It just gets a little more mushy than normal. All right, well.
And a tip for making a Zane. Never put it near any ash. You don't want to ruin it.
All right. Pretty good night so far.